Hey guys, I'm Animesh. You're watching Everything Techie, and in this video, let's take a look at how can we get the Miui 12's super wallpaper feature on any device running Android Oreo or later. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So all the links that I mentioned will be in the description below, so make sure to check that space. Starting off with the article, go to the first link in the description and click on this link. Now you will be shown a number of options. Select whatever you like, try to download everything, try to experiment with which one you like. After downloading your desired option, install it and then proceed to Play Store for installing the Google's Wallpaper app. After installing the Wallpapers app, open it and scroll to the bottom and select Live Wallpapers, and there will be your downloaded selections, and select whatever you like and it will take some time to load. Click on Set Wallpaper, and after that you can see for yourself if you like it or not, and if you don't like it there are many options, and that is how you will get the MIUI 12 super wallpapers on your device. Hit like, subscribe, turn on bell notification if this video helped you in any manner, and leave in the comments below which one do you like the most. And that's it for my part. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and have a nice day.